Hello, what's up everyone? My name is Shockz. Welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you the siren sound and the combination with it. If you like beatboxing and gameplays, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video and gameplay. This is one of the funniest sounds that I have heard in beatboxing. At the first when I wanted to learn this sound, I was super happy and I was super excited and I wanted to learn it very soon. This is not an easy sound, but if you practice, you will kill it and you will learn it in just maybe 2 weeks. So for making the siren sound, the cops sound, I think you have heard them. You should put your upper teeth, on your lower lip, like this. You may look silly, but that's it, that's the way. You should do this, and you have a head voice and you have a lower voice, and you should use your lower voice. If this is my voice, oh, this is my lower voice, oh, and this is my head voice, oh, you should use your lower voice. So add your lower voice to this shape and try to say no, no, no instead of no, 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 no. At first you are practicing this, you may feel like some vibration in your mouth and it feels something disgusting and so bad. But if you practice, you will make it good and you don't feel bad anymore. And you can make car voices with this sound, cop voices, and the ambulance and the firefighters and something like that, or even an air horn or an ambulance. And one combination that I like to use with this sound is this sound. I don't have a tutorial for this sound yet, but you can learn it from other YouTubers and combine that sound with this siren, and it sounds very special to me. So that was it guys, I hope you learned something, and if you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel and like the video to push my channel and motivate me to make better videos and those stuff. Have a nice day.